Tired of chasing down payments and making things complicated? I'm going to show you the simplest way to get paid through PayPal with a link or payment request in just a minute and a half. First, open your PayPal app or log into PayPal on your computer and find your profile icon or settings. Look for the Get Pay or Request Money option. It's usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Click on that. This takes you to where the magic happens. You'll likely see two options, a PayPal link and request a payment. Let's start with the PayPal link. If you haven't already, you can create a personalized PayPal link. This is a simple, easy to share link that people can use to pay you directly. Choose a name that is easy to remember and relevant to you or your business. Once you have your link, simply copy and share it via text, email, social media, or wherever you need to collect payments. When someone clicks the link, they will be taken directly to PayPal to send you money. Now, let's explore the request payment option. This is useful when you want to specify the amount and send a direct request to someone. Enter the email address or phone number of the person you want to request payment from. Next, enter the amount you're requesting. You can also add a note or description so the payer knows what they're paying for. Review the details and hit send. PayPal will notify the recipient, and they can easily pay you through the secure PayPal platform. And that's it. Easy peasy. Using a PayPal link or sending a payment request streamlines the payment process, saving you time and hassle. Now you can focus on what you do best. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips.